Have you ever felt like using a particular music as ringtone on your iPhone but don't know how? Don't worry, I've got you sorted. Follow this short tutorial on how to do that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. Let's get into it. We are going to use 3 utools to do that. I'll leave the download link to it in the description box under this video. So let's open 3 utools. Connect your iPhone to the PC. As a first-timer on 3 utools, your permission to connect your device will be needed by confirming your passcode on your iPhone. After successfully connecting, you'll have access to every detail about your iPhone. For privacy, details like my IMEI number and serial number is covered. Now on the tabs above, locate and click Tools box tab. As highlighted, click the Make Ringtone button. This window is where we are going to create and generate our ringtone onto the iPhone. Since we are going to select the music from the computer, click the From PC button and select the music you want to use. Either way, if you have music already downloaded onto your iPhone Apple Music library, go ahead and use the From Device option and select the music you want to use. After the music you've selected completes loading, push the ending point bar to the very end of the full track. You can then play the music and listen. While you listen, at any point of the music you want your ringtone to start from, click the Set Starting Point button to push the starting point bar automatically there. I'm going to set here as my starting point. And here is my ending point. After setting the start and end point, the selected track time will loop. The music you hear looping will be your ringtone when generated. If you're satisfied with it, go ahead and generate. After generating, the name of your ringtone will show. You can choose to rename or leave it as it is. Now click the Import to your device button. When done importing, go to Settings on your iPhone and head to Sounds and Haptics, then go to Ringtone to set your imported ringtone.
I fi go up in the bag. The pan the block, everything usual. But I better chill with you, my friend, them a guy. We chop a line full of money program. You remember the days when you sleep on the slab.